Welcome to Mofai Dharwad YouTube channel. Now I am going to prepare the curry of bitgai, which is very good for health, but children don't like it. I make the children to like by using this method. I used 2 bitgars here. Chop those in this shape. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it up well. Close the lid and let them for whole night. Next morning, wash those with water. Roast very well. Water should not be there. Grind the roasted groundnut and coconut. Powder is very perfect. I use 4 to 5 spoons of oil. Add mustard, cumin seeds, curry leaves, chopped onions. Fry those well. Add little turmeric powder, red chili powder. Mix it well and add roasted bitter gourd pieces. I use little salt because before only we used the salt. Add little more sugar because of bitter. I add tamarind juice and water for boiling. Add the powder of groundnut and coconut. Close the lid. Let it be boiled for 5 to 6 minutes. Look at the color, very nice. If you want, add little garam masala, otherwise skip it. Very tasty bittergourd curry is ready to have with roti or chapati.